Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to take an Audi A3 headlight out. First, prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle's ignition is off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Gather your essential tools, including Torx screwdrivers, specifically T25 and T30 sizes, and a 10mm socket with an extension. For easier access, you might consider slightly jacking up the car. Next, we'll access the headlight fasteners. Begin by removing the under tray bolts, which are usually T25 Torx screws. Then, locate and unscrew any accessible bumper bolts in the vicinity of the headlight. Finally, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the rear of the headlight unit to prepare for its removal. Now, let's detach the headlight. You will typically find 3 T30 Torx bolts securing the headlight in place. One bolt is often accessed through a small hole, another from the top, and a third might be at the bottom. Once these are loosened or removed, gently pull the headlight unit forward and out of its housing. For reinstallation, carefully slide the headlight back into its mounting position, ensuring it aligns correctly. Reconnect all electrical plugs securely. Then, replace and tighten the retaining bolts. Before fully reassembling any removed bumper parts, switch on your vehicle and test the headlight function to confirm everything works properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.